teach you about how can you use a counter class in Python to find out an item occurrence in a list, that how many times the item is occurred in a list. To find out, we will be writing a Python code. So I'm going to open my IDE. Um, so what does this code do? First, I will import from collection import counter. This is a Python class which will help us to find out the occurrence of an object or an item in a list. So certainly here is a short Python code snippet that demonstrates a very useful application of the collections.counter class for counting occurrence of item in a list. So I am going to write the code here. Like, this code showcases how to use counter efficiently count the occurrence of item in a list. It's particularly useful when you need to analyze the frequency of different elements in a collection. The counter class provides a convenient and efficient way to perform such counting tasks in Python. So I'm going to write a corporate example. We have a list. I will write here example list in Python. Sorry, I wrote this spell wrong. This is Python. I will write here a list of items, so I will name it items. And now this is a list. I will be writing here apple, orange, and apple again to find out the occurrence of an item. So here is banana, and also create an apple. Then I will create a banana, and also will create one peach. Now this is a Python list. We have stored some item in this list, which is fruits, obviously. Now to count occurrences of items in this list, so we have to write code for like making a variable counts, which is equal to counter. Now we are actually calling this class counter, which is a built-in Python class, so you don't need to install the collections using pip or any but you can directly import it this class from a Python, which is a built-in library, a built-in class, sorry. Now we have to pass the item as an argument. Now we have to use a for loop for item and count and item counts dot items, and now we have to print the data in f string, which is item and count. It will actually give the result to us like the item occurrence, which is count. If I run this code, you can run this code using a Python shell, Python terminal, but I am using it simply by this button. I'm using a VS Code. So here you can see like apple is occurred in this list 3 times. If we count this apple 1, apple 2, and apple 3, apple is occurred 3 times. And the orange is occurred only 1 time, which is here. There is no another orange item in this list. And the banana is occurred 2 times, which is here 1 and 2. There is no banana in this list again. And the peach is only 1 time, which is at the last. So that's all. We can use a counter class in Python to find out the occurrence of an object in a list, or you can find the occurrence of an object or item in a dictionary. You can use it anywhere. This class will help you to find out the occurrence of an object. That's all, and thank you for watching the tutorial. Also, please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. I am new to YouTube, so support me by subscribing. Thank you.